And the Rap Reading Machine draws for your lead. We have Italia to take second. Loretta running by the rail. Trixie Maysari outside. A Strong Boy now racing in fifth. Then running on the outside. Nose West. Cool Reception and trailing the group is by Filipino. Rounding at the last 600. Reading Machine in command followed by Italia. Trixie May is racing in third. Is Strong Boy now in fourth. Loretta drops back in fifth. Then comes Nose West. Cool Reception as they swing for home. Reading Machine still leading the field. Moving a party outside is Strong Boy, Italia, Trixie May, and Loretta with 150 to go. It's still Reading Machine, Strong Boy in second. With the last 50 meters, it's all Reading Machine. Is Strong Boy, Italia, Loretta close. Then comes number 6, Trixie May close with No Sweat School Reception and by Filipino.